love myself unconditionally. I accept abundance into my life. Good things are always happening to me. I attract love, happiness, and peace into my life. I am worthy. I am healthy. I am grateful for my mind. I am pure energy having a physical experience. My thoughts create my reality. Stepping outside of my comfort zone is how I grow. I love myself unconditionally. I accept myself for exactly who I am. I am feeling happier and happier every day. I forgive myself for past decisions. I am strong and resilient. Fear is an illusion, and I will step into it to reach my goals. I deserve love and happiness. I accept my decisions and learn from my experiences. I choose happiness. I choose joy. I choose laughter. I feel abundance coming into my life. I attract love. I visualize the life I want every day. My experiences are a gift that I use to be a better person. I love my life. I see and feel more love coming into my life. I am grateful for what I have. I see and feel abundance. I am getting better and better every day. I am calm and in control. I attract love and abundance into my life. I release all negative thoughts. I surround myself with people who value me. I send positive energy into the universe, and it comes back in abundance. I am smart. I am a creator, and my thoughts have power. I trust myself completely. I will react with calmness and respect. I am worthy. I choose happiness. I choose peace. I choose me. Good things are always happening to me. I am grateful for another day of life. I release negative opinions about myself. I am unique. I attract love into my life. I am kind to myself. I will not allow others to define me. My potential is infinite. When I fall, I get back up and move forward. I love my life. I forgive myself and others because it brings me peace. I make decisions with clarity and confidence. I am open to new things that serve my vision. I visualize abundance and love in my life. I enjoy laughter. I attract good people into my life and reject all others because I deserve peace. I create my reality with my thoughts. I see love. I see happiness. I see abundance. I see freedom. I love myself unconditionally. The past is the past, and I am designing my future.